power steering was real hard, so I think I had a leak in it right here at that line. So I took the reservoir off and getting ready to tighten it up and see if I can get it real tight, because right now you see it's loose and I think it was sucking in air. So doing that and helping my dad work on his truck at the same time. Alright, I just fixed the power steering. My power steering is working now. It's not hard anymore. I found out where it was sucking air at, and I tightened those fittings up, took the whole reservoir off and had to redo it that way. So I got that done, and now I'm getting ready to bleed the brakes. So if I can get the brakes bled, then I'm gonna go ahead and roll the fenders and put my old drag radials back on it. So that's the plans for right now. Okay, I got the brakes bled and I got my old drag radials on it. I was gonna film bleeding the brakes, but we ran into a lot of issues because, you know, the car only has 18,000 miles on it, so the rims and the wheels has never been off the car evidently, and it took a long time to actually take the wheels off. They were stuck to the hubs, so I spent a lot of time and energy getting the wheels off. So that's why I didn't record it, but we got the brakes bled. They feel a little bit better, but I think the hose that's going to the brake booster is leaking, so that's probably why it still gets soft a little bit now. So that's what I'm going to work on now, is getting that done. Alright, just finished putting the tires on the back of the car, and I just cleaned it off just a little bit. Getting ready to go and get the exhaust put on it. And get the cats put on it also. This has been a crazy day. I have a lot of stuff I had to do. I took the car back to the exhaust shop today, and he's working on it, and he just called me not too long ago, and he said that he can't put the cats on it because he would have to lower the exhaust by about 2 inches, and if he lowers the exhaust about 2 inches, I think that would sit a little too low. It would scrub on things. So I just told him not to put the cats on it, just go ahead and weld up the exhaust, and I'll figure out what I'm going to do about putting the cats on at a later time. But right now I just need to get the exhaust on it. So I guess I'll put it on video of me driving the car back home from the exhaust shop. I'm actually headed up there now, so hopefully it should be a little bit quieter, but the gas fumes and exhaust smell is why I really wanted the cats on there, to prevent that. But I have to figure something out at a later time. I just need to get that done so I can move forward with the car and get it painted and do all the other stuff. So right now I don't want the cats holding it up. Alright, the car is done, as you can see. Just getting ready to go and pick my dad up so he can bring me back up here to get it. Driving my car back now. Definitely sounds a lot better. I decided to go ahead and film to close this video out. So I'm going to go ahead and film an outro to this video. In this video, I actually did a lot with the GTO, but the major accomplishments is I did drive it. I drove it to get the exhaust done. He got the exhaust welded on for me, and as I said in the video, he couldn't get the cats on because they would have been too close to the floor. He would have to drop the exhaust 2 inches, and 2 inches would have been too low. It would have scraped on things. So that's all for this video. In my next video, I'm probably gonna roll the fenders and kind of prep it a little bit to get painted and try to get the paint done on it, and that's my major goals for the next video. So thanks for watching. Remember, click the like button, click that share button, comment, and look forward to my next video. Thanks.